whose birthday is celebrated as National Mathematics Day? Answer: Srinivasa Ramanujan. What is the Ramanujan's number? Answer: 1729. Which is the first paper published by Ramanujan? Answer: Bernoulli number. What is the IQ of Ramanujan? Answer: 185. Who first described the value of pi? Answer: Euclid. What movie is based on Srinivasa Ramanujan? Answer: The Man Who Yawned Infinitely. Who invented math? Answer: Pythagoreans. Which year is declared as International Mathematics Day? Answer: 2007. Who has calculated the area of a circle by taking the value of pi equal to 3? Answer: Babylonians. Who declared Srinivasa Ramanujan birthday as National Mathematics Day? Answer: Manmohan Singh. Who is the father of mathematics in India? Answer: Aryabhatta. Who said number rules the universe? Answer: Pythagoras. Srinivasa Ramanujan is also known as. Answer: Man who knew infinity. When was Manmohan Singh announced National Mathematics Day? Answer: 26 February 2012. Which day is celebrated as National Mathematics Day? Answer: December 22.